Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to uninstall WhatsApp from your Windows 11 in 2023. So very simple way, click on start, then here click on settings. Now here click on apps, then click on installed apps. And in this guys, you have to find out WhatsApp, and easy way just you have to search WhatsApp. Now click on this three dot and click on uninstall. Again click on uninstall. And once this complete, just restart your system. So this is the method guys. You can uninstall and you can remove, you can delete WhatsApp from your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.